Hello everyone. Today, I want to show you how to download MECCHA CHAMELEON. It's a new and fun game that has been released in different versions and designs over time. You can find this game on popular gaming platforms for both console and PC. The interesting part is that it is quite affordable. In some regions, it may appear in local currency, but in USD it usually costs around $3 to $4, making it a very cheap game. However, there is one limitation you should know. If you buy the game on a shared or family account, you may not be able to play it freely with your friends. Even though it is designed as a multiplayer or social experience, you may need your own copy of the game to fully enjoy all features. If you are not in a hurry, you might want to wait a few weeks. The developer sometimes releases special discounts or offers, such as 20% or 30% off. You can simply add the game to your wishlist, and when a discount becomes available, the platform will notify you by email so you don't miss the deal. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. See you next time.